Hello guys, this is Vishnu and welcome to my tutorial. In previous sessions, we discussed about visualization, importance of visualization and importance of visualization tools. Today we will get into visualization using QlikSense. Let's start with the installation of QlikSense. First of all, let me show you how to download and install QlikSense. QlikSense versions are available in QlikTech official site. Let me go to the QlikTech official site. Here in QlikTech official site, you will find all the services and solutions provided by the QlikTech group. So to download QlikSense, first of all, you need to register with QlikTech official site. Since I have already registered, let me log in with my credentials. Once you logged in, go to support and product downloads and upgrades. So here you'll be finding all the versions of QlikSense. You just have to filter out with the appropriate version. I would recommend always go for the latest version so you can enjoy all the latest features. So the latest version of QlikSense is November 2019. Let me select it. So here you can see QlikSense desktop setup. Let's download it. So the file is downloaded now. Let me open the file. Just go on normal installation. So always ensure that you are checking install support object bundles. So this is a pack of additional visualization and objects. So ensure that you are checking these. Let's start installation. It's going to take a while. So the installation is completed now. Now QlikSense is ready to start with. Let me open the QlikSense desktop. It's gonna take a little time to load. So it's setting up all the folder structure, all those things in the initial load. And you need the login credentials which you had registered with to log into QlikSense. And always remember to check on remember password option, so you don't need to pass the credentials again and again whenever you are logging into QlikSense desktop. So let me log in. Yeah, so I'm in QlikSense Hub now. That's all about QlikSense installation. So next session we'll be discussing about QlikSense Hub and QlikSense development environment. Thank you for all.